ใจเลย Go now. Sir, I need to go.